Welcome back. Now that you know how to play C chord, first finger, first fret, and G chord, third finger, third fret, today we're going to learn D7 chord. Because once you know these three chords, you can play hundreds of songs. Here we go. We're going to begin with a review from last lesson. You learned the C chord and the G chord, and we learned the song, Everybody Loves a Saturday Night. Now, look at this page and you can see it says C and then slash, slash, slash. That represents the down strum. So it's like C slash, 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 G slash, 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 slash. So that's what those little slash marks represent. And the words are below. Let's sing and play the song together. Here we go. Everybody loves a Saturday night. Next line. C, 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 G, a Saturday night. Now look at the third line. It's C, one strum. Only strum C one time and say everybody. Everybody. G, everybody. C, everybody. G, everybody. Everybody loves a Saturday night. So let's do the song one more time, and notice on the third line you're just going to go C and then stop. G, one strum of each chord. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody loves a Saturday night. Everybody loves a Saturday night. Here we go, one strum. Everybody, 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 everybody loves a Saturday night. You got it. And always end on C. Most songs always end on the chord they begin on. Nice job. So far, we've learned the C chord and the G. Now we're going to begin to learn chords in the key of G. So we're going to do G, and then a C, and add a D7 chord. That's the new chord you'll be learning now. Now you're ready for your new chord. It's called a D7 chord. Basically, you're just going to take the C with the first finger, first fret, and leave that finger there. Do not move it. Then the middle finger, that goes up here on the third string, second fret, and this ring finger goes right on the skinny string, second fret. So if you notice, see these two? They're both in the second fret, not the first, the second. And the C back here stays in the first fret, just where they were. C stays the same, one above, one below. I think of it as like a little triangle, kind of boom, 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 got the 3. That's the D7 chord. So try it now. Go C, D7, C, D7. See if you can get that D7 chord. And the trick is not to touch the other strings next to it. So remember to use the tips of your fingers and put it right on each one. That's the D7 chord. Give it a try now. If you need to pause the video, please do so now and practice that D7 chord. Then we're going to start to practice your G, your C, and your D7. So if you can play the 3 chords, you're ready to begin some 3-chord songs now. Here we go. The first song we're going to learn is a little tune by Bob Seger called Old Time Rock and Roll. If you don't know this song, go on YouTube and look up Bob Seger and see if you can see what it sounds like. It's not in the same key as this, but we're putting it on G so you can play. There's a little introduction that goes, just take those old records off the shelf. I'll sit and listen to them by myself. Today's music ain't got the same soul. I like that old time of rock and roll. Let's try it with you now. You can probably tell I ran out and took a bike ride and I'm back. I have a different shirt on now. Here we go. Let's start on G. Here we go. There's 8 G's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and C for 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. D7 for 8. D7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back to G for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then D7, 7, 7 really fast. And that's the progression. Let's do it with the words. So play with me on G. Just take those old records off the shelf. I'll sit and listen to them switch by myself. Today's music, D7, ain't got the same soul. I like that old time. Back to G. 1 and roll. 3, 4, and then D7, 7, 7. Now pause the tape and practice this at whatever tempo or speed you can play it, and gradually get faster and faster and be ready to play it at our next lesson. Good luck! Just take those old records off the shelf. I'll sit and listen to them by myself. Today's music ain't got the same soul. I like that old time of rock and roll. Still like that old time rock and roll. That kind of music just soothes my soul. I reminisce about the days of old. With that old time of rock and roll. Alright, if you have that figured out and you need a little bit more of a challenge for those of you that are moving along quickly, let's do the single note introduction. It's called lead guitar. Look, it's the 3rd finger, 3rd fret, but not strumming a chord. Pluck the 1 string, 3rd finger, 3rd fret. Here we go. You just pluck it 5 times. I'm just plucking the 1 string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go. Here's the whole thing. 1st fret, no finger, and the next string on the 3rd fret. Here it is. See how I'm plucking 1 string at a time? 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 1, 0, and then the next string over. 3rd fret is the last note. So here we go. Let's play the lead, and then we start strumming at the word off. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. Just take those old records off the shelf. I'll sit and listen to them by myself. Today's music ain't got the same soul. I like that old time of rock and roll. Adios, amigos.